Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, the reason why I haven't done any videos or lives lately is because, well, for the, toy car, as in the diecast cars, like racing or unboxing stuff, there really hasn't been anything worthwhile of getting. And everything that there has been to get is like, well, more than over $1, most likely. Depending on, what stores you go to, obviously. Well, for me or any other collectors, that is really, and depending on where you live, inside or outside of the USA too. Because, all the distribution for all the, basic cars and premium cars from Matchbox, Hot Wheels, whatever the diecast car companies are, they are just completely random, it feels like at this point. So, yeah, it's pretty much hard to tell what stores are going to get and when they do happen to get them. So, however, I went to local Target store today in the toys area, the diecast cars toy vehicle area in local Target store. They had a lot of NASCARs, surprisingly, compared to the last time I went there when they had like almost near nothing really. Um, they did have the Michael McDowell Daytona 500 champion winner car from the Daytona 500 from last year. So yeah, that was really cool. But that's not the thing I ended up getting. I ended up getting this Matchbox Collector's 2020 Ram Rebel, and the reason is because I haven't seen any Matchbox Collectors in a long time, and most of the ones that I have seen before this one weren't really ones worth getting. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open this truck here really quickly, or as quick as I can, and then I'll let you know that there is a special feature for this truck. I think it's just one, but I'm not quite sure. And the other thing is, this one looks way more nicely detailed compared to the Hot Wheels one. So, yeah. And also, the Hot Wheels one had way bigger tires, wheels, and rims. So, yeah, that's another difference. However, the difference for this one compared to that one was the price, like $1.10 compared to like $5.40 for this one. So, yeah, this is literally the same price as a NASCAR at Walmart stores. Target stores, I think, are now charging $1 extra for NASCARs, depending on which one you go to. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. Anyways, yeah, I'll be back shortly with the truck open. And yes, this thing below it is a carry box thing, so you can carry the truck in this box. And I already did show all the other cars in this series. Well, time to open the truck now. So yeah, I was right. It's just one opening part. It's just the hood that opens to reveal the 8-cylinder engine under the hood. I know it's an 8-cylinder engine because the Ram 1500 Rebel is a V8 engine, I do believe. And then there was a special version of this, the TRX version, which produced like close to the same amount of horsepower as the Charger and Challenger Hellcats from Dodge, which is 707, but the more advanced TRX version of this Ram Rebel truck produces 702 horsepower, so still not bad. This one's probably like maybe 400 to 600, I think, for this truck. And like I said, there's the carry box that comes with it. That's kind of cool too, for that picture of the car on the carry box thing that it comes with. So yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope you all liked and enjoyed this video, and have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.